guys, welcome back to my art channel Jashan Art. I am Jashan and today I am going to create amazing stickers. And you know what? I am going to create stickers on these Amazon bills. Yes, I am going to reuse these Amazon bills to create stickers. So let's get started with this video. Let me place all the required things on the table, and guys, let me tell you that I am using these bills because these are having glue on the back side for pasting in all these, so it will help me in pasting all these stickers later. So the first step for creating stickers is to paint these with white acrylic paint. By doing this, I will get a smooth white surface and it will help me to hide all the text behind the layers of paint. After painting, we have to leave these for drying for some time. Now as these are dried up, I am going to draw basic sketches of all the characters. I am going to create all the stickers related to BTS and BTS21. So this video is specially for BTS Army and I know you are going to love this video. So I am going to draw sketches of BTS21 cartoon characters first. I am going to draw sketches of Tata, Koya, Cookie, Mang and two BTS gang characters, two boys from the BTS boy band. So now as I'm done with the sketching part, I am going to start with the painting. Let me take colors out on a palette and I am going to start painting Tata using red acrylic paint. This is V's cartoon character and I am really enjoying painting all these stickers. So after painting Tata, I am going to paint Van. For painting Van, I have put masking tape right in the center, and after completing the painting, I am going to remove the tape and it's ready for outlining, guys. I am going to outline these using black paint. I am starting to outline with Tata. I am doing it with thick layer of paint, and after completing both the characters, let us move to paint Cookie, which is a character of young cook. And then I am going to paint Koya and Mang, and all these light colors are really beautiful, guys. These characters are really beautiful and cute. Now I am going to outline these as we did before using black acrylic paint and going to add details in all these characters. Now guys, I am going to paint two BTS group members without adding the face details. I know you recognize this singer from the hairstyle. Let me know if you know the name of this character in comments, because I really know that you know this character, right? After painting and outlining, I added details in the jacket, and now I am going to paint another young man from BTS boy band without face details again, and after adding the details in the sketch and in his shirt, this is also ready, guys. Now I am going to cut all these stickers by leaving some margin around all the characters. And with all these, guys, I reached my final step. Let me take some acrylic gloss varnish on the palette and apply it on all the stickers to save them from getting ruined. And after applying this layer, I am leaving all these for drying now. So guys, our stickers are now ready. Look at these stickers. These are really looking like premium quality stickers, and these will look amazing on all your diaries and your projects, and these are really looking cute. You can like this video if you like these stickers, and share this video with all the BTS fans, and subscribe this channel, guys, to watch more art videos like this. I'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thank you so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. You are amazing.